How not do that, Mafia? Back in this thing, dog. Been a minute since I did a live, huh? Yeah, I thought I wasn't gonna do it tonight, huh? But we back. As you know, they are all our vibes. See what I go on, everything around and go on, everything good. Alright. Yeah, man, we there, man. We not deal with. We not deal with. Let me know if you don't like it the way or if y'all like it the other way, you know what I'm saying? We there, man. We're there. We have some things to talk about, you know. It's the first live for a minute. It's the first live for a minute, so we ain't gonna be like going crazy. You know what I mean? Just like get familiar, hopefully some other people come in. And over there, man, over there, wait, man. I don't see for the type what we are dealing with today, man. You see me? We are dealing with Squash versus Skeng. You see? You see the like we want to talk about it, man. Yeah, would this be a good clash, gang? Y'all let me know. Would that be a good clash? Squash versus Skeng. You see me? I say. I also want to talk about Blood Cleat, Shensi a new album. You see? Shensi a new album, bro. We're gonna talk about that shit. We're gonna, you know, do you think she can win? Do you think her new album gonna be going crazy? She gonna be doing numbers? And yeah, you think she doing enough in her past couple releases for like win the hearts of dancehall fans and like, you know, overseas. You know, we're gonna talk about that too. You see me? I want to talk about Skilly Bang. Is Skilly Bang the go-to guy in a dancehall? Cause why people are talking about yo? Why people are talking about yo? Who are crossover and who are this and what that? Skilly Bang over here silently I do it, you know. You see me? Skilly Bang getting all of the collabs. You see me? Skilly Bang seeming like he's the go-to guy, man. So I want to talk about that. You see me? I want to talk about Nige Boy. What do you think about Nige Boy? You see me? Do you think he have what it takes? You see me? I say. Cause I saw a thing like in the stars that they're like, yo, you see me, is he the new face? Is he the new face of dancehall and shit, man? So we want to talk about that. You see me, all of that. As well as Alkaline. And some other stuff we see on the Blood Cleat social media there. Like the Nick versus Non-Change thing, the Lexus versus Bima thing. You see me? We have enough things to talk about, man. You see me? We there going all the vibes, wait for everybody come in. You see me? Make sure you type and drop in the comments if you know what I'm But yeah, what me I do right now, I listen to like, you see me? Squash. I just dropped a video on the leak Skeng this where Squash have or made. You see me? So Squash make apparently make a dish with Skeng and it got leaked and it all over social media right now. You see me? So I want to talk about all of that. You see me? I say again. But everybody there, man, Dan Mafia on the day, on the like up live, man, drop in the comments, man, know who there. So we can get in a shout out, all that good thing. You see me? I say, yeah, man, Dan Mafia on the day. I know say it's been a minute since I drop a Blood Cleat live. So, you know, a lot of people probably surprised. But we trying to get it late, man. Drop in the comments so we can get in a shout out, man. You see me? I say, well, yeah, when me that start off, all of the, who want to hear the new this? You see me? Now, when I do I start from the earliest this so I can remember what we kick off of this. You see me? I can't remember if Squash Rule drop first or did Skeng Rule Screw drop first. I think I Rule Screw drop first, you know. You see me? I say? But the man them look like, yo, the man them drop be a subliminal this. You see me? Nobody now come brawling out and call nobody names. You see me? I say? That's the only thing with the warrior that we need man for a call name. Cause I feel like this will be a good little clash, a good little war. Cause nobody else now do it. We know one thing, guys. I feel like the Squash creative. I feel like the Squash creative enough. You see me? You got the skills for carry a clash. You see me? Yeah, and 6 then got their fan base too as well. You see me? Yeah, man, and then Skeng also have him fan base, Ratty Gang, and he have Badman tune. You see me? So yeah. Be a good little clash, man. No, like. I'm a matic from my belly, brother. Bad. You see me? But hold on, let me find the other tune, man. But who then I place? Let me know how I go on now, dude. What I do with now, bombard? Now Tuesday, when if you don't drop a request if you want me react to if you want me react to music, as well. Make drop your comments, drop your requests, and I got you. But there, man, we are going. You see me? So yeah, 3 months ago, a 24 song name, man. Menace, the dog the job. Yeah, I think a Menace in the job first. Hold on.
Man.
Yeah, none of the video calls alright. This squash the reply to. Yeah? This squash the reply to. Let me know, gang. You see me? Okay, I believe this is the first song we really drop. What could I say, yo, in the
Man.
Think of chatting. Yeah, man. So you look like this one, the first one. Yeah, man. Remember the tune now. People are speculating who dog got, you know? Who did the dog a blood clean? True word for. You see me? Who dog that try bombard? Who dog that this? People ain't sure.
Happy murder. Happy murder. Happy murder. Hey boy! Happy murder. Happy murder, day I watch you the HK Pamadia, no ramp up it fella, my boy there, repeat the
easy no man, bombard. And then I believe that after that, let me know in the comment section. Who there? What are they? Eh? Everybody there, come in now and we go on all our vibes, man. Bombard.
Ever see I head open up like Campbell. When me kill and tell her your auntie and mama I live grandpapa. He made me live butter. Took him out like mother. Him don't even know a copper. No scammer, me no hacker. Me no robber and shatter. Yo, pull up on the
me no scammer, me no hacker. Me robber and shatter. But I want you don't come play with me, man. You see me? Let me check which song drop first. Yeah, no man, Rudy drop first. Yeah, Rudy drop first. Yeah, Rudy drop first, man. And then Skeng drop this. You see me and say, Menace. Nah, wait. Skeng drop this first, right? Let me see. Which one drop first? Yeah, I was right. So Skeng did drop first, bro. Skeng drop Menace first. You see me and say? And then after Skeng drop that blood cleat squash reply with mirror. You see me and say? So yeah man, Skeng didn't technically, I don't know if at the time this was not this. He had to drop a tune. And blood cleat squash decides to yeah man reply.
Play some point and squeeze. Oh Skeng my name, I give my name for your reasons. Plain no claim, no informer, believe me. Menace real the way you feel like easy. Pass the play some point and squeeze. Oh Skeng my name, I give my name for your reasons. Plain no claim, no informer, believe me.
Spain me claim, no informer, believe me. You see me and say, Laura ever done just sending a comment, big up yourself. Yeah man, who there man, no like up the video man, me know there man, drop on a request, you know. You see me, drop on a request. And drop on the comments. Let me know in that building man. Oh go on, wanna deal with that mafia, wanna there.
You think me easy? We do it brawling, think I serve these drugs, man not leaving, know where I deal with. I put the sense to the lesson, give me. You are eating when the sweeping place clean.
Put the sense to the lesson, me give meaning.
In blood bottom.
I man say me give senseless meaning, easy now man.
Leaving, got the gang in your place, burn down your building. Put the flame to your back, make you reach ceiling. Yo, pull up, make me lift.
Place think about down your building, brother. I'm here, man. The whole house, the whole yard I come down.
Up and bust it up. I am a dopey, come from me Canada dopey, so me now wait, me I hurry up for career. Story up the fuckery.
Man say me now wait, me I hurry up for career, nigga. I'm here, brother. Cook your food, brother. I'm here, man.
That dopey, so me now wait, me I hurry up for career. Story up the fuckery. We a killer when I kill, no. Menace real the way you feel like easy. Pass the place, some point and squeeze. Oh Skeng my name, I give my name.
Pass the place, brother, you don't know what time it is. You see me, one press squeeze, man. I'm here,
man. Your reasons, pain, no claim, no informer, believe me. Boy, think I shot in.
Yeah, no informer.
Yeah? You think up.
think I chatting. Hey, didn't squash them. See anything in a new tune? Eh? Hold on, we'll check out the new squash mix.
Only open up your head, boy. I remember see how one presidential click in it. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
One presidential click and I want Dan Mafia. Don't. Yeah, man. Let me see one Dan Mafia in the chat, man. Let me see one Dan Mafia in the chat, gang. We're not there with. Yeah, man. Who have it? Caribbean Trail, big up yourself. What you mean?
7 to the world. IJ, clans and one other. Remember that happy murder.
7 to the world. You see me? That's what kick it off. That will kick it off. Right. That's so people. Right. That's so. You see me? I don't think I tune. You see me? I don't think I tune itself, dog. Me just say, me didn't even penny the part. Yeah. Me didn't know say that. You said this at the end of the song. Feel like that's what kick it off. You see me? You're a man.
Boy, I remember see how one presidential click in it.
One presidential.
You see what I say? Yeah, man. 7 to the world.
7 to the world. The man said brawling at the night tune. How did that part miss me? How the part they miss me? That's why. Okay, now me get why. Now me get why about Mba Squash come and say, Rrr. You see me? Yeah, man.
Clans and one other. Remember that happy murder day. What you there? HK, I'm a day. No run puppet fella. Turn my boy there. Repeat the skiller. Never see I head open up like umbrella. When me kill
you know, man, that they kick it off, man. Yeah, man. Now we know why. Yeah, definitely blows and skirts. Definitely Skeng squash attack. You see me? Who wants to see a lyrical one? I didn't know say that claim 7 so brawling. Eh? Who that? Tonga line, what go on? It's how Skeng look in the camera after you said that. For real, man. Yeah, for real. Look at it. Yeah, you right. Look at that shit. What is it? Like you man look on somebody for real. Oh, look at it.
One presidential clicking it.
Tonga line, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. 7 to the world.
Yeah.
IJ.
You look and you laugh. Like you want to say, yeah, pussy, we know this bone, you know. I know I'm not going to see this, you know. I know I'm not going to vex, you know. You see? I hate that.
Clans and one other. Remember that happy murder day. What you there? HK, I'm a day. No run puppet fella. Turn my boy there. Repeat the skiller. Never see I head open up like
man. No, we know what, man.
Your auntie and mama. God live grandpapa. He made me live butter. Took him out like maca. Him didn't even know.
So now the auntie and mama and grandpapa, brother. Head me left butter. You see me?
Kappa in the scammer, me nah come and a boy shatter. Yo, pull up on the rock, yeah. Ministry, the way you feel.
Scammer, me nah hacker, me rob and shatter. I squash him at your word for you know. You see me? I say scammer, you see me? Mama say, squash them a chopper, you know. And them a cap, him a chopper and them a capper, you know. Bomba, so he must say, yo, me and the scammer, me and a hacker, me a rob and shatter. Yeah, how we missing this shit, dog? Eh? That mafia, how we have missed this, man? I'm damn. Yo, there's enough going on, bro. We need a
play some point and squeeze. Yo, Skeng, my name, give me name for your reasons. Pain no claim, no informer, believe me.
Man say me Skeng, me name. Me get me name for your reason. Spain no claim, no informer, believe me. The bomba.
And it's real, when you feel like easy. Pass the place, some point and squeeze. Yo, Skeng, my name, give me name for your reasons. Pain no claim, no informer, believe me. Believe me. You think me easy?
Easy no man, bomba, yeah man. No, now this war is getting interesting, gang. I ain't gonna cap to you. Now this war is getting interesting. You see me?
Would we brawling, think I serpy. These drugs man not leaving, no way I deal with.
Tell me do it brawling. You think I serpy this? Hiding faceless behind cameras, think I brawling. We do this out here, man. You I want to man. Yeah, if you know us, how we do the badness. So that's Skeng I say, you know.
I put the sense to the less and give me. You are eating when the sweeping.
Put the sense to the less.
Bottom leaving. Put the gang in your place, burn down your building. Put flame to your buckle, make you eat seal.
But gang, we know anything about the one gang. Gang. Let me know what y'all think about that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. It's been a while since we've been live, man. But yeah, man. So yeah, now we get to understanding. Now that we feel it look really listen to the tune, I hear what I'm going. Now we know why. Cause you see me, we didn't know say yo Skeng said this in the beginning. You see me? You see me? Yeah, Skeng said Skeng in the beginning. You see me, and then Then Skeng Squash come and say road not a skr. So people are saying, yo, Squash I said I throw wood for Buckley Skeng. But people never know where that come from. But before that, we must say, yo, we done listen to music from Yassa and Trinidad. Yeah. So we didn't know say Skeng that part of Trinidad with the 7 them and thing. You see me answer with Plumpy Bass and crazy. You see me answer? So we didn't know say that a part, but we didn't know say that like serious. You see me, and then the drop this and then Squash drop Bumbucklad. You see me answer? And when Squash drop we wonder what that was part that we don't know if it is that serious, but now we know why, cause at the end of the day, right or so. Bumba Skeng claim 7 brawling. Bumba claim.
Shall click in it. You see me answer? Yeah, I want 7 to the world.
You see me?
IJ, clans
I
and
claim everything right there, so. You see me and say, and then remember say, yo, Cayman 6 was on a live one night and he was like, yo, why is King I come pick up things or whatever, you know, you see me and say, yeah, I'm gonna say that claim thing brawling that. But so no, you don't know say 6 and 7 a beef long time. So now that dog Ray I claim that we see what's going on. You see me? Understand, you see me? So Skeng D drop that. You see me? Menace. Skeng D Kin FF, what go on, what you do? So Skeng D drop that Menace. You see me? Then after Skeng drop Menace, Squash come and drop Buckley this. You see me? Squash come and drop her. Now when Squash drop her, people all speculate say you're asking him a talk because previous tune, but people never know why. But now we know why, because in the song they claim 7 brawling. So basically we feel like Squash you kill off the song there. You see me? Buckley. Cause I remember after I drop you, Squash come drop this
grand for my show. Me back no rental. The one done presidential.
Easy now, man. Big Dread, what go on? Big up your blood self. Tino. King, big up yourself. Dangalan, big up yourself. Caribbean Trail, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. We're there, man. All our vibes. We are pre the whole Skeng versus Squash thing. You see me? So we dog them and deal with, man. You see me? Because we'll break down the whole war. We don't even know if there's going to be a clash. There's clash as well. Hopefully, man, them officially go head-to-head. You see me? I say? We know the dog them been a throw slubbing and things at each other. You see me? Plus the leak what happened yesterday. You see me? Squash GPS. So what does they review and say, yo, let me know in the comment section. Would Skeng versus Squash be a good would Skeng versus Squash actually be a good Skeng versus Squash actually be a good clash? Let me know that in the comment section. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Let me say, after Skeng drop many, Squash drop the song. You see me?
Fuck such man, girl.
I remember I say, in the beginning, Skeng this a not a skr.
3 grand for my show.
This a word skr.
Back no rental. The one done presidential. Oh, fuck such man, girl.
So right there, so now if you see me, right there, so we here, so yo, everybody have a feeling, yo, a Skeng dog attack. You see me, but when the dog say, oh, fuck such man, girl. You see me, I say,
oh, you say my skr. The killer sick like flow. We bang line chop food.
We bang line chop food. You see me, I remember saying, I'm Menace in a dog, blood clean thing that I say, yo. Thing that I remember saying, I'm Menace King that say, yo, I'm not a hacker. Me not a hacker, me not a scammer, me a robber and blood clean robber. That's good. Where's the Big Judge say? Big Judge says, Skeng versus Squash is a good clash. Long as it's still lyrical. That's facts. Big up Big Dread. You see me? That's facts. That's what I say too. Squash versus Skeng, that go on nice. Make it dance on nice again. You see me I say? As long as it's still lyrical. That I think. We don't know if it can stay lyrical. I know the 2 dogs them have their own little crew and thing. You see me? Yeah man, the man trying to say them a bad man. So we don't know if the man can keep it just musical. But yeah, if they can keep it just music, it'll be crazy.
Lifestyle too rich. Me fuck the bitch, what the dog shit. I provide
now that the part, the dog, a true? We don't know no gang. The part there, you see me? The man say, what fuck, man say, yo, my lifestyle too rich. Me fuck a girl, what a dog shit. A Skeng in my thought there, so. When a Skeng bridging, or what? You see me? We need to know, you see me? Because we don't know if a blood clot We don't know if a Skeng girl might talk. You see me if squash box Skeng girl wanna we are I rode her before him or what gone. You see me what I'm saying?
We can, yeah. One shot, two shot, jazz, I drop.
Like crazy, you know, man. Say, yo, apple vodka and cognac, you know, that's all the man take to get the jazz off of your girl, brother. You're a big artist, brother. How you feel about that? The man say, I'm rich now, I'm not giving her nothing. Just some apple vodka and cognac, that's it. Boom. Man, me Gucci, me Louis V, man life good and enjoy them glow. You see me when I say in the dark, you see me diamonds them a shine.
Me have a matic for my belly, brother. Rocky bank and fuck it tell her. We make money in any weather.
I have a matic for my belly, brother. We lucky bank and fuck it tell her.
So tell his skull send it cheddar. Rumming on my cup, gyal a bubble up, and I make it something tough. She gets sucky body and I say she
try to rub in the cup, man, and keep the ice coming. Keep it coming, man. And gyal there bubble up and make it something tough. You know what going on for that. You see me?
love it rough, bro. Anyway she cock it up. My lifestyle too rich. Me fuck a bitch, what a dog shit.
Now the one I kind of this and another this at the same time. You see me never go too hard like the yo, but it's like a fun thing. You know, fuck a girl dog and I make fun of your type shit. You see me a boss and I live carefree and jolly and you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's how me that take the one. You see me? But if you don't know say it's this wicked party tune at the same time.
One shot, two shot, jazz, I drop. Julie, me boozy and moody, I know. Me Gucci, me Louis V, I'm a jewel.
Yeah, man. So I go from the beginning of this, you know. Who are here? Let me know if you want me to skip to the newest leak one. You see what I'm saying?
Me have a cheap Glock 2017, get the skull one big chop, fuck up every dollar.
Yeah, you have a cheap glove. You see me get it? Easy now, man.
I'm broke and rich back from in on my cup and cushion I zip flat. They are not kick back. Me full of chips like me is a igla.
Boy, Squash body, you know. The man have vibes when they come in the dancer. Squash actually have a potential for like actually run dancehall if him take it thing serious, bro. You see me? Cause the man have the vibes, you know, dog. Talk truth, gang. When the man drop a tune, you see me? Before whatever they go on with the one there, you see me? The man was very consistent, and in the have the vibes of the place like a way. You see me? I say about something happen, we don't know what happen, but that look like he might try to get back in the group. But the man take it serious, man can run dancehall. Cause I'm one of the best out in the dog. Big man thing. We don't see the full potential of that career.
My bright teeth white like Vizsla. If you not like six, well I middle finger. Me have a matic for my belly, brother. Rocky bank and fuck it tell her. Women.
Do these man even do shows, bro? Man even do shows like that. You see me answer?
Money in any weather. So tell his skull set to send it cheddar. Rumming on my cup, gyal a bubble up, and I make it something tough. She gets sucky.
Yeah, man, gang. Let me know when I chat. You see me? Let me know in the chat, man. Drop in comments.
Body and I say she love it rough, bro. My lifestyle too rich. I fuck a bitch, what the
I got money down outside of Miami. I'm telling you, man.
that shit. I prefer the cat with cognac. One shot, two shot, jazz, I drop. Julie, me boo.
A big bass, BM, I'm telling you. Yeah.
See and moody, I know. Me Gucci, me Louis V, I'm a jewelry, them glow.
Gucci, me Louis V, I'm a jewel, them glow. I'm telling you. Cartel. Big Jet.
Yeah, cuz man.
We just say, yo, Cartel soon forward, bro. Them man here can't run dancehall again, bro. Big Jed. Big Jed. Yeah, all that only if you talk about too. You see me and say Cartel. And Cartel case, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, when you were a boss, man, when the teacher fall back around, that's trouble, man. Yeah, man. Whereas if a man come with the same consistency and the same tenacity and ferociousness and hunger where man have when he start and when he in a jail and he come and road with that, come on.
Not a skirt.
Not a skirt, blood clean. Yeah, man, and that he dropped the this day. You see me? Following Menace after Squash he dropped that. Big Jet yeah, man, when Cartel soon far, bro, man, the money you can't run dancehall again. The man says Squash is a bad artist, though, that's facts. 6 to the world, brother. One. They say one law boss. Hold on there. One law, same way. Yeah, man, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man, down. Nah, man. I must say, Cartel the girl Squash the co-sign, you know. You see me early in a career. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Oh, for real, man. R.I.P. Puppy 6. Yeah, guys, let me know if y'all want us to get more updates, man. I used to give updates, drop update videos. I haven't been dropping updates as much. We can start get back to updates, Because if you don't know, the other day, Puppy 6, you see me, I say, from the 6th row actually lost his life in Miami with a crazy shootout. You see me, I say, yo, like, let me know if y'all want me to start dropping updates again. I got y'all, man. You see me, I say, no joke. But yeah, man, Puppy 6, man, it was in a crazy shootout. We could have gone crazy shootout the other night, man. Thing was going crazy, man. The thing looked like a blood plead. In Lauderhill, a few days ago. I think Miami Gardens. Yeah, I think I saw it was Miami Gardens. I'm talking about the Puppy 6 incident, Big Dread. Yeah, according to the news and IG, it was Miami Gardens. Yeah, that shit looked like a fireworks, my G. The place was lit up, man. Yeah. But yeah, man. After Squash dropped that, I wait. Me think I was can come after that. 24 hours. Am I tripping? We say no man, no shooter never go on. Me I go send you the real info on Discord. Blogger them run with false news. Oh shit. Yeah man, send me on Discord, my G. You see me answer? Yeah man, I've been slacking on Discord though, Big Jet, but I'm back over there, dog. You see me every day, I'm back over there. Tanisha, what go on? Long time I don't see you. What's up, baby girl? Tanisha say, I'm glad the war over. Trinidad doesn't bleed over to Jamaica. Jano. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When not you two want to see the war, like the physical war, want war in the music. You see me want some clash. Want some, you see me? But other than that, we not two want to see Bob Buckley. We don't want to see no physical people are dead on them thing there. You see me? Don't want that. But you see me? I say. But yeah, man, gang, after Squash drop, Bob Buckley, that's when Skeng come and say, yo, 24 hours. You see me?
This Memorial Day weekend.
We are indeed. And
that's when Skeng dropped 24 hours. Well, gotcha, yeah. Gotcha, yeah. Trying to get rid of that damn commercial shit, but anyway.
Sir, take a chill pill!
Whoa. But after, let's see. That video of the shootout got nothing to do with Puppy 6. That had nothing to do with, so why the hell people have said that's him? I see vloggers running, you know what I'm saying? That means they think they posted the wrong information. So I'm glad, I'm glad, hon, got to see you back in these YouTube streets. Facts, we back. Facts, we back. There's even more videos on streaming and drop. Hey, let me know if y'all check out the video. I just reacted to the leak Skeng this from Squash. You see me? But yeah, man. After Squash drop Skeng drop this 24. You see me? I didn't remember reacting to 24. I didn't even remember the this one I know.
What the fuck are you doing if you're not chilling? Chill out! Everyone chill! Take a chill pill! That's right, sir! Take a chill pill!
First out time, Mali dog I call chill pill. Dog like in brain gone. Yeah man, send me the real video dog. Niggas talking bullshit. Right?
Try go in a piece and gone, every time you peel up. money large, I'm a killer in that. Head mad, no bumbo car, kill him and laugh.
So drive off, I'm a tire peel off. You see me head mad, no bomber, I'm a killer them dark, you see me? But I thought this was a party tune, hold on.
People time me jump on a first class. S-class when me try pass, mom drop charge. Keep calm when the time gone. We are running hard, we are plop.
It's a keep calm, when the time gone, and me a run yard. So I squash people, I say my talk, so.
After one, give me way, me shit dance hall. Hot in a dog, move your ass. Now give me cast, me top, me don't laugh. Shut up, go glass, head cut off. I saw me go and me love this too much. Spain town, no God, the fuck with them start. You are run ass.
Oh, Spain town, oh God, I fuck with them start. So I squash my talk. At the 6 year my talk, me know again. Who am I talking at the video? You see me? Cause this are the all of the people them say, yo, they diss them the job. You see me I say?
I kinda get gone. Bumbo clot, Shelly wagwan. Can I go all hot? Pain at the wall. Pan a 6 hour doing my head in the
oh shit. Okay. Brawling, don't you hear that? Brawling, knock it pan a 6 hour. Alright. Okay then. War is on. Okay then. Whoo. Yes man, I like it. Keep it lyrical, gang. Keep it lyrical. I mean, I hope the war shit bleed over to yard, you know. You see me when I want them fuck the gun yard. You see me, but when it comes to the tune, oh shit, so many see this. Big Dread, Tanisha, Younger Lime, Kin, Caribbean Chill, how many see this? How I go on? I've been gone for a minute, gang. I was gone for a minute. My bad. I'm back now. But I this I go on the dance hall and people and talk. They were in what?
No God, the fuck with them start. You are run ass girl. I kinda get gone.
God. I fuck with them start. Run ass girl. I kinda get con.
Bumbo clot, Shelly wagwan.
And I don't know the squash say run ass girl, you know. You see me I say? So in my talk squash right this from me a run ass girl, you know.
Bumbo clot, Shelly wagwan. Can I go all hot? Pain at the wall. Pan a 6 hour doing my 7 up. Every time you every run.
I keep pan a 6 hour doing my 7 up or doing me better bill you. Okay. The war is on, man. Skeng, squash. I hope y'all keep this shit lyrical, bro. Cause this kinda nice. Now that I'm listening to the tune them back to back, you see me? Cause they was dropping song in betweens with this. You see me? I say. Now I listen to this can be a nice bro. Knock it on a 6. How I do my 7 up, you better chill. Can't even run your belly big. Squash it like a bumbo.
6 hour doing my 7 up, every time you run your belly big man on the chill and up. Chill I will give my drilling, I made both chatting. Oh, me healing, I made me deep kill your skill. And I see
war is on. Yeah man, I really war go on, man. People now realize and see what I go on. You see me? But the war can't go on.
Grab me cook and swing the board put. Hot in a dark, move your ass. Now get me cross, me top, me don't laugh. Shut up, go glass.
Get me cross, me dark, me don't laugh. Hey girl, put the bus off all that tongue so. Eh?
Now get me cross, me top, me don't laugh.
Off your blood. You are before. That's it.
Shut up, go glass. Head cut off. I saw me go and me love this too much. Spain town, no God, the fuck with them start. You are run ass girl. I kinda get gone.
People like up live. Share the video. You see me answer?
Bumbo clot, Shelly wagwan. Can I go all hot? Pain at the wall. In a piece and gone. Every time you peel up. My money large, I'm a killer in the head. Mad no
Easy now, me G.
Bumbo clot, kill him and laugh. If my people time, me jump on a first class. S-class when me try pass, mom drop charge. Keep calm when the time gone.
S-class when me drive past, mom's drop jazz. I want to them. Man, I mix this with a little party vibes. You see me? Party in it. Hold on. I'm not switch over thing on now. Bumbo cleat. My bad, gang. Hold on. What's going on? Why not see me thing? The fuck? Oh man. The whole time when I not see thing I'm not tell me, man. What's so wicked? Jaja. Bring back the vibes, I'll bring back the live. Come in, man. So there you go sometime. There you go sometime. Bring back the vibes. And the video though, the beat though, are the fuck. I don't know where the producer got that. Oh, respect. Yeah, man, Jody, anytime say video chip out a while ago, bad job. Jano. Me there, man, and we there review the blood cleat thing there. So, after 24. After 24, our blood cleat thing the job. After that, we dog just Spooky or Money Boy? Which one after that? We know again, we dog drop after that. Why this thing black out again, bro?
People can
I don't know if Money Boy was at this. I don't think Money Boy, I think it was Spooky after that.
Check out these deals of the week at Walgreens.
No cap.
more than
I think Money Boy was at this. I don't think Money Boy was it. Hold on.
charge one skull more than 10 grand. Been a dream from long time, you know, man. One buy Benz, put the house on the land. Credit card max. Credit card max. Money in and shows.
I think Spooky was the next one. Either Spooky or Big Breeze that drop off of that. Don't
Max. Rich and a toe chat. Them fire shot we showed back. 2 6 pants in full black. Yo, what up? Stay on the line, tell the dog them price. One giant on you in a big meat.
you know deaf? Yeah, man.
You know that. Crown and be my park up on the head. So go tell me no one but me
X. Yeah, man. Remember the tune, man. That first me I watch the video still, you know. Bro.
Still a never style chopper, no pussy don't test. Cyber crime, white collar crime, on no death. Yeah, we been a man line. But dog them crack the skull. We have the fattest car drive.
You know what I mean, man? We being a man in line. Dad, them crack his skull, bro. We have the fattest car drive, boy. I'm telling you.
Fucking bitches, money on my mind.
Yeah.
Pull up in a Prada store, my car not get declined.
Yeah.
Living lavish, I'm fine. Put the pussy on my cocky, pretty bitches, so keep it.
Easy no man. Easy no man. Bumblecly. Talk to her.
Yeah, she love the money, boy. Breaking in my pocket, and my matic on my side. Yeah, me up in my prime. Me da fuck and me da grind. Been rich all long time.
Go on.
Enemies can't get to me. Call me okra, call me slime. 6 never die alive. Believe.
Man say enemies can't get to me, call me okra, call me slime.
Out the sight, me out of mind. Money enough to call the kind. Me back how when me drive. Them ships sinking Ghana sun. You a pre if you a gal, you is a fucking mama man.
So I Skeng him attack again. Yeah, man, them ships sing Ghana sun, brother. You a pre if you a gal, is a fucking mama man. Go on, man, bro.
Sinking Ghana sun. You a pre if you a gal, you is a fucking mama man. Mrs. Snake now Everglades. Run up on the 6 bus, me a bust it, cause me never free. Used to jail, never take bad up, brother.
Snakes and the Everglades. I'm telling you, brother. But run up on the bust this, you never afraid, you know.
And I saw me raise. Money make me happy, and my fans and when me touch the stage. First time I make a meal, me feel different. Build me house and buy me car and rifle if we keep the fence. Our pussy style the thing, I read this, so we have for pre-revenge. Yo, hold on. Fly my wife, we got Mexico. When me lock up in a jail, I swear she never let me down.
Yeah.
Come in at your pussy every night, we are gonna make with son. Enough time me a touch
Man, coming up with every never coming.
on the road, yes I no left your gun. Motivation and you give me that. Many times you see me go fi give up and you build me back. Bobby say him still a do the music and him still a chop. You don't see how we know that.
Come here now, man. Go on.
Big dream, big car, big house. 1 pint live life with toast.
Man, I got wear the blood clean gold. Come here now.
Big dream, big car, big house. 1 pint live life with toast. Big dream, big car, big house. Big dream, big car.
Big goals. Come here now, man.
Yeah, we been a man line. But I them crack his skull. We have the fattest car to drive. Fucking bitches, money pa my mind.
Come here now, man. Come here now, man. Hey.
Pull up in a Prada store. Me
Fucking bitches money on her, man. Come here.
can't not get declined. Living lavish, I'm fine. Put the pussy on my cocky, pretty bitches sucky dick. Yeah, she love the money, boy. Breaking in my pocket, and my mama take by my side. Yeah, me up in my prime. Been a fuck and been a grind. Been rich out long time.
Go on now, man. Go on, show. Room, man. Rare. What a scare. Go on, show. Yeah, man, that one that was not straight out this. It was, you know, like a subliminals in there for Blood Please King. I don't think that was the one he dropped after 24. I think Spooky was the one he dropped after 24. Let me see him right again.
About the troublesome steps needed.
Oh, let me see. Spooky. Oh. Spooky or Bad Voodoo? You know, head charge you my boy, I say.
Godfather, but miss a me back when me drive. 6 out here and 6 outside. And we no love, man.
Father, me back. I will drive. I'm to you 6 out here. Hey! I'm to you, man. Hold on there. One sing there.
And we no love, man.
Father, me back. Easy. Me watch myself. Easy.
You know thing going on. We're active. Fully 6. Number 1, me that. Run the place like a boy, relax. Bank book big them know me a shell.
Number 1 and me that. Run the place like a boy, relax. I want to them. Come in and talk to them. I think this was the one he was talking to. You know.
Me I make you rain, no need and break.
Hold on, bring it back out.
YG.
And these are all the disses.
Godfather, but miss a me back when me drive. 6 out here and 6 outside. And we no love.
Grandfather, me back how me drive you. No little bit of money around here. You see me? 6 out here and 6 outside. Outside. Hold on there. And 6 outside. Hold on again. I start up. Who winning? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Who you think should win? I don't vote. You see me? I'm talking about results at the end.
Now why you don't think going on? We active. 46. Number one, me that. Run the place like a boy, relax. Bank book big, them know me.
Number one, me that. Run the place like a boy, relax. So I'm telling
you, me I make it rain, no need umbrella. Wi-Fi up, me no need antenna. Money pan the cash up and money pan the Zella. Me house live dollar. Did I go buy your plane and me mother send up?
Easy no mama, still no. Easy.
But think you know how me a rock ball, me and go check. Me girl cock up at the booty. Be a killer, some of
glad you think you know me, youth. I'm here, man.
Fuck them spooky.
Hold on.
Me a rock ball, me and go check. Me girl cock up at the booty. Be a killer, some of fuck them spooky. Blagger boy that watch me like movie. Be a false allegation on the roadie.
Yeah, blagger boy that watch like movie. Be a false allegation on the roadie. Go on now.
Trip on the come jewelry. You know see me too clean. Yeah, I zoom in. What about this? Yeah, me activate. Stop debate. 6 bars fully bad. 3 blocks to me.
I tell us squash of vibes, bro. Man got style, man got the energy on the floor. Man can make some mad tune, brother.
Shot box your face, me glock toxicate. Be a dopey to me name, but no calculate. Fully zombie brain, the chip chancellate. What's up and
be a dopey to me name, no calculate, brother. Me a zombie brain you. I'm to know.
Face, bling hand grenade. Cancellate, that's my name. Bad fears, bad for days. 641, that's Batman code. Bullet in a head, stem, crutch, cockroach. Dark up the place, left be a black smoke. YG done a clip like that, black smoke. J-City.
Easy.
President and Dan bad bro. Tabasco, hot. Fidel Castro. The Dan money no.
Man, video up. Money up. Come in on.
Green like Pop Cho. Chat both. Think you know how me a rock ball, me and go check. Me girl cock up at the booty. Be a killer, some of
girl cock up and hot dear beauty.
Put them spooky. Blagger boy that watch me like movie. Be a false allegation on the roadie. Now see me blood trip on the come jewelry. You know see me too.
Now see me blood trip. I want you see me jewelry. Cool like guys, brother. I want you. Blagger boy them. Eh? Watching like movie. Be a false allegation.
Pinted like pencil, deal with the girl pussy rough, breast gentle. Take her fire yard, bring that go up and broke past flaming.
Girl pussy rough, breast gentle, brother.
But you don't know how the Benz look. That's flat. Potion a rap chat, boy girl capture, kill it with back shot. Chip chop, drive out, now the drop top. One wheel bus and it tire get patch back.
One wheel bus and it easy no one.
Potion a rap chat, boy girl capture, kill it with back shot. Chip chop, drive out, now the drop top. One wheel bus and it tire get patch back. Shut a fireman a run, gal a hopscotch. Engine a black top.
Fireman a run, gal a hopscotch. Easy no man. Man full of vibes. I say a deliver tune. Man have a delivery and the style on the floor. Yo, no stop. Keep on scratching.
Gas. Dirty money anywhere we do the contract. Bring shop padlock, head open and lock. Me no afraid, come and do it on camera. Hard don't weak, me no wheeze, me no asthma.
Say me no fear, come and do it on camera. Heart don't weak, me no wheeze, no asthma. Come in on my yard. Yeah, man.
Read to me lungs, what you cancer. Me did already when you talk, me no answer. Think you know
Get already.
me a rock ball, me and Gucci. Me girl cock up and at the her booty.
Yeah, man, them out. Yeah. Squash, I'm telling you.
Killers on my foot, them
Five.
spooky. Like a boy that watch me like shut up, BB. False allegation, uno roadie. Now see me blood drip, uno put me jewelry. You know see me too clean, yeah, I zoom in.
You see me too clean, your eyeball zoom in. The man bad dog, I'm too the dog. Me never react to this before. Hold on, ain't no fucking way, guy. Ain't no fucking way, I never reacted to this shit. This shit going up tomorrow, gang. Nah, I'm putting this shit up tonight, fuck that. Are we going hard? That's me. Yeah, I never did it. I did voodoo. I never did spooky. That's crazy. Mm-hmm. But yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man, that a spooky. Squash did his thing on that shit. You feel me? Yeah. Away, after that, Skeng, after 24s. I just go through the this them, you know. Yeah, see me one by one till we get to the leak one. This is the latest one. Cause like we said, you know, it's clash so far, but the words or the man them are throw for each other so far has been going crazy. You see me? I think the last one where dog drop a demon soul. I think this is a diss track towards. You see me? Demon soul. Hold on, gang. We'll verify that shit. Yeah, man. I think this was a diss track towards Squash. You know? Nah, man, this is a girl tune. I think this is a blood clean. Yeah, this one is actually a girl tune, I think. Maybe that was the last. 24 was the last. This C trophy squash.
Yo, stop.
Yeah, man, that one is a girl tune. This wasn't a diss to squash. I think squash actually the one who have the last diss track.
Demon dominant soul, she baby, she boy, she freaky, she world. She a dance with the devil and she know now. See the style and I put on the show now.
Easy, no, easy. I'm saving this one. I haven't reacted to this one, so I save the tune. Yeah, see me the one that's about girl tune. So I try to go through all of the diss track them way. Skeng and Blood Clean. You see me Skeng and Squash drop for each other. That's what I'm trying to go through and see what Spiritual is the last one. Cheap and Clean is not a diss track. Spiritual, I never hear that one day. So Skeng Squash might be after the one of the last diss track. Cause Squash have what? Spooky, Rur, and then the leak wanna drop out here. And Big Breeze. Yeah, man, I now go to the one. I now react to the one. You see me coming to react to the one either, you see me? But yeah. The last tune. So this is what started the whole this between Skeng and clash or feud between Squash. From what we see so far, from all I tune them we got through. You see? Dog drop Menace. And this dog a blood clean claim 7. You see? Then the dog drop 24. And this man say you knock it on a 6. You see me? Yeah, man. So I saw the whole feud are going right now. And from that going now, from the dog drop Menace, I claim 7. Squash drop Bumbleclead. Squash drop Bumbleclad. What's your name, man? Yeah. That's when Squash drop Rur. And then that come with 24. And then Squash drop Bumbleclad. Bumbleclead. Where that your name? I'm tripping. As I mean, Squash drop Bumbleclead. The dog drop Menace, Squash drop Rur. Then he drop 24. Then Squash drop Bumbleclad. Our Money Boy or Spooky. In a Money Boy and Spooky dog I drop Blood Cleat. I drop Bold Faith dog. And then after that thing, this is the final official release. This track was Squash Drop towards Blood Cleat Skeng. You see what I'm saying?
When we give our bourbon,
That one right here, so. So Skeng only basically dropped Menace on 24. You see me? And then Squash just been going at this nigga ever since. Like Squash just want this nigga blood. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Now the last official release of Blood Cleat Squash Drop for Skeng was Bumbuckler, the one, Big Breeze. That's the last official diss release. The one that came after that was actually a leak. You see me? I say? So this is the last official diss with that drop for Bumbuckler Skeng, right?
Kill me if I lie, me tell. Say them up, God, kill me if I lie, me tell.
That one there, this
Say
bad,
them up
nah,
in the town. How are the blood clot discharging? Check, man.
Nah lie, this bad. When me hear this dog, the intro alone, yeah man, dog.
Man, me on the town, bro.
Lord Big Breeze.
Blood clot in the charge.
Lord Big Breeze.
Hide them all, pussy on the sugar on the
Oh
man.
no, we can't see
Lord
them.
Big Breeze.
No, we
on
have
the
to.
God.
Jesus
One
Christ.
Big Breeze now no ton. Yeah man said Jesus Christ.
Please stop it
Aye,
capping.
Bucci.
Hey boy, please stop it capping. More house in a yard of foreign. Yeah, they done solid. Top cap of them, I see a top cap of them.
Oh, clad, top cap of them, you know, see a top cap of them.
Now below us and them can't buy a bed. Hide them hide. With them friend things, we no frightened if we boy not a link. Them pussy not no cash. What you have, what you know about squash? What you know? Yeah.
No man, come in, no man say we have, you know about Squash, brother. You see me?
50 grand when me pay for me watch US. I be a rifle me put on the block. Woof woof woof. Boy,
80 grand, pay for my watch, be a rifle, put on the black, brother. To your man.
you a laps. Fuck them gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick cock. 6
Then girl pan his snap. Who dog attack? Was he just talking in general? Or was he actually throwing more that Skeng? Cause more than one time he must say, yo, him fuck certain girl and ray, and dog a play. You see me?
in Miami, you better pay tax. Ready word. Top shatters is back. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round. With the rich team and the killers them out. When the chip squeeze, as somebody touch ground. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round. Cap of them, red.
Big Breeze, to your man, cap of them.
Yeah, I listen to them. Portion a shot in, I'm a portion a trap. 6 lucky city, them a portion a cap. From me said the word, every road that fi
Man say, them a portion to cap.
black. Me in a on no town, no shoe up on no back. Working on my pocket, girl a choke on my cock. Can't take it.
Hey dog, I mean on the town, show up no man.
Bag a chat is go and smoke on no crack. Them a dep off me level on no know on no flap. Tell the cats if you run down your rat. Them pussy na no cash.
We have machine, you know, man. Machine them out, you know, man. To no man.
What you have, what you know about squash? What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch US. I be a rifle, me put on the block.
Come in now, man. Be a rifle out, yo. Be a rifle.
Woof, woof, woof. Boy, you a laps.
I
Fuck
come from St. Kitts.
them gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick cock. 6 in a Miami, you better
I have money for fight war in the dog. To them.
pay tax. Ready word. Top shatters is back. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round. With the rich team and the kill.
Buck class name on a gold dog. You know, man?
Rich team and the killers them out. When the chip squeeze, as somebody touch ground. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round.
Buck out in them town. Circle on the block. Spin again and spin again and spin again.
All them say them a mish, and if them dead right now, them casket here than their room set. You can't say you're rich, and if you lay down in
Hear that? Can't say you're rich and what?
a bed, you have a big sink. That is not a bed, that is a hammock.
Can't say you're rich and lie down in a bed, and when you lie down you have a big sink. That is not a bed. That is a hammock. You see me? Believe no man. How that Byron Messiah? When the man here, man? Byron either look like say you're in frost or you don't want to be here, bro. Look at this shit. Man, look like either in frost out, tired, and don't want to be here. You see me?
Believe me, ask God. Yo, me not see them in my hometown. I wish hometown, you know. They circle my hometown. What's hometown here now?
Who's hometown here, you know?
When them see sign welcome to Moby, enough of them start shaking, man.
Then start shake. Bug clean. Big up in Moby massive them. You see me? You know, so
So shake that. I go on the ground. Moby badness. You hear that?
Using myself, yo. Wow. Thinks in my hand, you better pay tax, blood. Big breeze. Dodge SRT. You got the you know? You got SRT with the blood clay MG Benz, man. You know? 6 bars. Bumbo clean. Big breeze. You see me? That is the last like subliminal or true word in the word clash until blood clot. Until the leak. Now finally I get to the leak. Who hear the leak? Let me know if y'all heard the leak, man. Drop it in the comments. Let me know if y'all heard the leak. Let me know if y'all heard the leak. Make sure when you coming in, you tap it, hit that like button. You see me? Hit that like button. Let me get me up to 15 likes, yeah, and get me up to 15 likes. But yeah, man. That's our last one. Until the leak, bro. The leak from this evening. You see me? I'm gonna play the leak for y'all right now. What the fuck? This is the leak. You see me? I'm gonna know how this get leaked. So I should have dropped this bombard officially. You see me? I say, I think mad man. We not alive. You see me? I say, hold on. Gang, if y'all want to support the channel, remember y'all can send in super thanks and super chats. You're going to see a super chat on screen. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And can also hit your boy on Cash App. But yeah, man. This is the leak. You see me? I said, I don't know where that managed to get this leak. But let me know. Y'all listen to it and let me know if y'all think this is actually a diss towards Skeng. You see me?
I'm pussy, I get my curb from what day, my dog.
So I'm getting corrupt from what year. I'm not lie, from what year since the whole thing started squash has been dropping a lot more. You see me I say?
I'm not good intention in a bad man. Just dead people, me I say, I heard.
Pussy one not a brave. Blood a leak like pan a pain.
Pussy one not a... Where get that flow from? Somebody flow. I forgot where that flow come from, man.
Dead people, me I say, I heard.
Pussy one not a brave. Blood a leak like pan a pain.
I do that. What do you want not to be damn afraid of fuck? Squash playing with this nigga when he played. Squash just chilling. But let me take it from the top. Stop playing though. You are going.
I'm pussy, I get my curb from what day, my dog. I'm a good intention in a bad man. Just dead people, me I say, I heard.
No good intention, you know. You see me I say? I want to say, I be a dead people and dead body, man, I see. You see me, man, no good intention, no good this, no good that. You see me, man, just want to sink the enemy and bury them, man, that's it. You see me, man, dark out. You see me, one hour apart, man.
Pussy one not a brave. Blood a leak like pan a pain. 6 pants chaka face. Stepping on your place. Not a yes. Boy, your feet run like bull pan in track a race. Nah, him when he was it.
You see me, I said the 6 pants chaka face you out.
Eyes got a grain. Left boy body pan in land where the hag a race. Anyway, the men's have them a get a bag of play. That a brave. Why run up the mouth? He say a chatting. Well, the man
clap him. That's what I was saying, yo. That's what I was saying. When the last time Skeng was like, think of chattings, I was like, yo, Skeng, Squash use that same thing back on you.
Take fire, rapid. Boy, run up your mouth. He say a chattings. All the man clap. Kill, take fire, rapid.
One thing about that one, you are gone, you dog.
No fear that boy, you see I push them there. Kill, take that I push them where. Head full of lead, wrong a be a spank shell. Teach them a lesson, them behave themselves.
Come in now, man say teach them a lesson, man. So, you see me? My wife so bad, bro.
When he escape, fire brother be a boy dead. Dwell in the darkness, raised in a hell. program I run, couldn't know, couldn't tell. Bobby Bossy blackout, pussy ears, bella ring.
Raising a dance. You see me? Raising a, I don't know, everybody want to do this health thing and this dance thing, you know, but hey.
Gyal a scream and a ball, man a tear down his zinc. Couldn't badness, Lily man know where you link. Them boy, they no bother just rum, them a drink. 2 killer walk up, headshot, ground you see.
Say, yo, brother, you know bad Skeng. I rum me a drink, bro. Man say the special and the craving I get to your head, me G. Yes.
Me no grin, me no laugh, me no fear, not a thing. Me no join the chatting, GPS a tracking. Right at the stoplight and a kins a clapping. Wet him up, somebody will call and say take him up. Roll him over, shot him again, suck your mother.
Buckler, man say wet him up. Somebody call and say if you take him up. Roll him over and shot him again.
Who did I give me beer chattings? I'm telling something, let me catch your pussy, I'm rolling up. Somebody come take him up, watch it, let me roll him over.
Man, somebody come take him up, watch him roll him over and shot him again. Man say pussy, me then tell him for all of my youth. And I give me beer chatting.
Shot him again, me kill a kick him in throat and search him pocket. Just a bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali. Tryna trap him with the shotty.
Right, that's all, right, that's all. This is what make everybody say, yo, I Skeng him attack. You see me say kill a search him pocket.
Search him pocket, just a bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali. Tryna trap him with the
you see me bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali. So everybody say, yo, I Skeng him attack. You see me?
shotty. Me shoot black through in damn bus boy eyeball. But from day one man to the year one, Jim chopper Satan fear shot fatal. Pussy can shot 6 bars so no hear wrong. Me butcher boy and dress up in a apron. Pussy where you switch link.
I say my butcher boy and dress up in a apron, brother. I'm telling you,
I want shake and me no wait long fire.
I said it to the blood clear Burger King and McDonald's, bro.
Touch kill it pagan. No fuck with the 6 Nation. Why run up your mouth? Feel say you're chatting. Well, the man clapping.
Celtic. A mosquito, brother. I'm telling you, man, that's crazy.
Are you rapid? Why run up your mouth? Feel say you're chatting. All the man clapping. Celtic fire rapid.
You know, man. Please. You see? Y'all going good. You know what I'm saying? They say the war now officially start. Or if there not even is a war. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that jump out with that, man. Lee cardio. Like he are ready for bust Skeng jelly. He just a wait for Skeng for push you up in back. You see me I say? Yes, man, what me I see. Cause this a leaking that means that I have this ready. Record and put on. You see me I say so. Yo. You know what go on, man. It'll be a good look though. You see me I say it would be a good look if the, for the culture if a man decide to say yo we'll clash it out. You see me? Man decide to say yo we'll clash it out. It would be very entertaining. I know say the culture they like that. You see me? Especially if you dad then go back to back see him rhythm and keeping it, you know? In a dropping everything now in a good time frame. Not too fast, not too slow. You see me? You can go on, man. I think this will be a good look. I think it'll be an entertainment clash. You see me? But we just run through all of the diss chat them between Skeng and Squash and we'll find out why. We'll find out why in a minute. The boy Skeng drop tune I claim the 7, you know. And you know nothing to do with that, nothing to do with it, you know what I'm saying? I claim the 7 and then the dog drop Bumbucklead. After a minute, the dog drop 24 when I say I knock it on the 6. So from this, so Squash just, you see me, they on this nigga like white pan rice. You see me? Yeah, man. That's all. Alright, so it's our official one. So we know say the 6, and Rattigan, you know, Squash and Skeng agree at least. You see me? I say there's some beef today. You see me? Musically, and I guess probably in the street what I wanna do, but musically there's some beef today, and hopefully, yeah, we'll get a nice go clash out of this. We don't want it all them take it physical and nobody start dead off. But clash wise, this can be very entertaining. You see me? Cause Squash now is a veteran in that game. You see me having 6 group. Squash is a young and upcoming youth bad artist as well. They have film like a crew. So, you know, see the new youth, I take on it, you know, the veteran. Shit can be entertaining. Just keep it musical. That's all I say. You see me I say? Yeah man, but we run a poll earlier asking who to win between Squash and Skeng. And the results of the poll is 83% people so far said Squash would win. While 17% said Skeng. You see me I say? So if you want to vote, have a poll up, go ahead and vote. Who you think could have win at the clash? You see me? Yeah, man. But yeah, man. For right now, that's all we have in the Skeng and Squash War. You see me? That's all we have right now.
Me?
But
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.